Okay, so this Warner Media Jamaica situation has brought to my attention that a lot of people don't actually know what a pyramid scheme is. So, for anybody who doesn't know about it or know what's going on, it was a platform that was used to scam some Jamaicans. Anyways, so I'm going to talk based on my knowledge of the platform. I don't know everything about it, but I'm just talking based on information I was getting from someone, because I was looking for something to invest my money in, and the way the person brought across Warner Media, it actually seemed like it was a platform to invest your money, and also where you can watch videos and earn money, like for persons who would pay for like views and so forth from other social media platforms. The Warner Media platform made it seem like that's where you are going to make your money from, or whatever the case may be. Anyways, so as soon as I listened to information, and first things first, you can't just listen to what a person says. A person tell you about something, you go and do your own research. As soon as I decided to research this company on my own, I came on TikTok, and basically just type in the name, and I saw where a lot of persons were trying to get persons to join their team. So that was my first red flag. I'm like, a team? Isn't it a platform where you're basically working and also investing your money? That's based on what the person was explaining to me. That's what I got. So I was like, team? Anyways, I went on the platform. I clicked one of the links, went on the platform to see for myself. And that's where I saw that, yes, you indeed had to get a certain amount of persons on the platform with you as well. So I'm like, this is obviously a pyramid scheme. Like, it was so obvious to me. So for persons who don't know what a pyramid scheme is, you're person A, and they ask you to bring two persons. They ask you to get persons. I'm just giving an example of a pyramid scheme. They ask you to get two persons, person B and person C. Then person B and person C have to also get two persons. So B, C, D, and E, F, and G. I don't know if you guys are already seeing the pyramid. I can go on. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. I don't know if you see the pyramid basically forming. So it's you get the drift. So basically, when your pyramid is complete, that's when the person at the top gets the money. And I'm assuming the platform Warner Media wouldn't give you all of that money. They would collect some for themselves. And this is how it continues. So after you are moved from the top, I think like someone else would be at the top, and then they receive their cash and so on and so forth. So if it's not obvious to anybody else, but it's obvious to me, at some point this is going to crash, because there might come a point where the person who is here can't get anybody to join back the pyramid, or whatever the case may be. Or, as usual, these persons that are controlling these platforms, whenever there's a certain amount of money, like a lump sum of money, then them just take the money and they just leave. Just like that. Like, them just take up the money and go about them business. And a lot of times the person's actually responsible for the pyramid scheme. You don't know them. You don't know their names, how they look. Nothing. They get other persons to do the dirty work for them. Other persons that believe in this thing and believe that it will work. They're the face of it. And then when the real persons who are behind it get up with the money and leave, these persons are left to face the consequences. And I saw where a lot of persons were tricked because of the fact that the business was registered, which is true, because I did go and look and it was registered. But what a lot of these companies do, Afterwards, they just filed bankruptcy, and that is that. The money just gone, just like that.